In this video, I'll show you how to split your MacBook screen for multitasking. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. The first thing you're going to do is open the first window that you want to use, and you need to make sure that it's not in full mode. To do that, simply click on the green icon on the top left. Now again, you're going to put your mouse on top of that green icon and you're going to select the part of your screen where you want this window to be located. As you can see, now this window will only take up half of your screen. Now just open the second window that you want to use and do the exact same process. Just locate the screen on the opposite side at the same time. And now you're able to see two screens at the same time. If you want to make the windows bigger, just arrange it by dragging up or down the screens. And you can also adjust the arrows. And you can also play around with the corners. And that's it. Hope that helps.